Okay, so the last thing that I want to show you is how to stop your broadcast and then share the recording. So you can see I'm in the Hangout on air on my computer, and let's say I'm done. I just click on Stop Broadcasting, and this will cut the live stream. And then you can close the window. And you can see here on this screen, there's that link that if I click on this one, it takes me to my live stream. And here it is. And you'll notice it's actually the recording of the live stream now that I've ended it. So that's something that makes Google Hangouts on Air really nice, is that you don't need to share a different link for the recording. It's simply the same link that you shared for the live stream. So I could use this same live stream link to then share the recording of your live stream. So that's really it. So hopefully this helps you with understanding how to set up the live stream and then use the swivel with that if you wanted to, and then share the recording of that. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. I'm happy to help. Thanks.